It was boredom at first sight. You could hardly call him bright. He is no one's Mr. Right. So what do I see in him? But then I'm not so ideal. I'm not gentle or genteel. So the question should be, what does he see in me?
Say you need me with you now and always. Promise me that all you say is true. That's all I ask of you.
Hey!
Sorry? Mark?
Yeah?
I thought it was you.
Hey, Brenda, do us a favour.
Now you'll have to learn to dry yourself sometime.
Get us some more shampoo, will you? It's in the kitchen.
Okay. Don't go away.
That's all I ask of you. Let me be your shelter. Oh, let me be your light.
Very good for you, Marge. Shampoo.
Cupboard.
Morning.
Good morning. Not that.
Shampoo.
It's for carpets. Where'd you get those slippers?
Wardrobe. They're horrible, aren't they?
They're mine.
Wishing you were somehow here again. Wishing you were somehow here.
All right, I'm here. Prude.
Did you get the shampoo?
Yeah, it's out here.
Right. Got this? Brenda! Brenda!
One of the chaps at Rotary was saying he'll sponsor me for Royal Liverpool. This coffee's cold. Need to get the handicap down a bit first, though. Came back in 45 yesterday, which wasn't bad considering the weather. Oh, and I'll be late again Wednesday. Interclub do out at Birkdale. Is my squash gear clean? If Jim McGovern rings and asks about a ladder game, could you tell him I haven't got a window before next Tuesday? Have we got any fresh coffee?
Brenda!
Go away, I'm not decent.
But don't mess, I've got to go to work. Brenda,
What?
let me in.
Malcolm, control yourself.
I'm cold.
Malcolm, breakfast!
Yeah, all right, I'll be down in a minute, yeah. Ah, Brenda! Brenda.
What's going on? Malcolm, are you in there?
No, I'm on my own.
Malcolm, what are you doing in here?
Brenda asked me to get her something.
What?
What?
What did she ask you to get?
Pillow.
A pillow?
Yeah.
What do you want a pillow for?
She didn't say.
Well, she can't have one. Not in the bathroom.
Right.
So?
Well, tell her.
You can't have a pillow in there. Be ruined if it got wet. They're feather, you know.
Oh, yeah? I'd be careful with that if I was you. They're feather, you know. Hold it like that and you're liable to tickle yourself to death.
Pam? Pam, there's no towel in here. Pam, darling, you haven't put a towel in. Thank you.
Right, I'll tell him.
Mark, you know now that you're your own boss,
Yeah.
when you come in late, do you tell yourself off?
That was Christopher. He'll be along about 11, and he says he should start without him.
Another comedian. Well, I'll be carrying on without him as well.
You gonna sack him?
Surely not.
He's useless. And other things.
We all have to learn. Anyway, I have beds to make.
Didn't even try.
He did.
Oh, great. And you enjoyed it, did you?
Oh, come on, Malk. He's okay, really. I didn't get concert tickets.
But you don't know him. You think making a pass at you is something new? He's got a whole harem, that fella.
How do you know?
Well, because he never talked about anything else. There's Debbie, who works at Boots, and Samantha, the trainee hairdresser. And, once he's been out with him, they grade it on a scale from 1 to 10. About 1.5, I should think.
Look forward to seeing you then. Bye.
Morning, Pat.
Morning, David. Very nice.
Don't let me start. I've had enough of fragile females for one day.
Pam.
And Sarah. I think she's sickening for something. Pam had to get up to her at least 4 times during the night that I can remember.
Don't you take a turn?
Right, what have we got today?
You've just that report to finish this morning.
Oh, yeah.
12:30, lunch at the Adelphi with a chap from Fairplay Golf Equipment.
Yes?
At 3 o'clock, Ms. Palmer from Laundry by Louise will be here to discuss presentation.
Oh, yeah.
You've a squash game at 4:30, and after that you're meeting the MD of McEwen's Malts at the Rackets Club. I've booked you a table at the Armadillo, 7:30 for 8.
Great. Thanks, Pat. Don't know when I'll get home this evening. Do me a favour. Ring Pam and warn her, will you?
Right.
Oh, and Pat, while you're on, ask her, gently mind, if she'll do me a big favour. Everything got soaked yesterday and I've got a 4-ball on Wednesday. If she could just pack the shoes with a sock... Well, she knows the drill.
Life is too short. It's silly games. I promised myself I won't do that again. It's got to be.
Ah, right.
Hi. Well, don't take your coat off. I've decided the business doesn't need any more help from now on. Especially your type of help, which is no help at all. In fact, the only help you ever give is to help yourself to other people's relationships.
Oh, but Mal...
Don't melt me. You might think you're God's gift to women, but you're not to me. Don't care if you can get tickets when others can't. If you didn't go out clubbing it every night, well, then you might have been able to do a decent day's work the next day, after the night before, when you've been out gallivanting till the early morning of the following day.
I'm sorry, you're right.
Oh. What?
You're right. I'm just not suited to this kind of work.
Yeah, well, that's definitely true. So it's best all round if you look for something else. Here's 2 weeks' money. Just don't expect me to write you a reference, that's all.
It's fair enough. I understand. Though actually, I don't need one. You see, that's what I came to tell you. I've got a new job. But thanks for the money. I think of it as sort of holiday pay.
Actually, Lawrence, I just wondered if your Rotary Club had ever had to organise a steward's inquiry. A donkey derby. Just a minute, Pat. The thing is, until it's all cleared up, we can't order the new minibus for the DDA. Distressed Dentists Association. Yes, Pat?
Someone to see you?
Who is it?
Your wife.
Ask her to hold on there, will you, Pat? Sorry, Lawrence. A touch of the matrimonials. Yeah, I'll get back to you soon. Great. Ask Pam to come through, would you, Pat?
She's gone, but she's left something for you.
Really? What is it?
Isn't Daddy pleased to see you?
Hello, darling. You don't fancy lunch at the Adelphi, do you? No. Neither do I.
It says here that there's only 3,000 great bustards left in Europe.
Don't you feel ashamed?
Why should I feel ashamed?
Well, we all should. Because we've all been going round polluting and ruining the place. Only you're worse than me because you've been doing it longer.
Well, how do you know, young lady, that I voted for those green people last time?
Oh, what, the Martians?
The Green Party. Mind, I don't agree with all their ideas, so I only put a small cross.
Marge, corner of the cabinet.
What?
You missed a bit.
You could help instead of lounging there.
I'm helping. You can see the dust better from this level.
Martin, we'll have something the matter?
No.
Hiya. We going?
Wash my hands, all right?
You all right?
Yeah.
Just been in.
Yeah.
For the second.
No.
You said you were going to,
Yes.
but you didn't.
No.
Do you want to talk about it?
No.
Yes, certainly. I'll just get her. For you. A gentleman.
Hello? How are you? Yeah. I'm joking. Well, what happened?
Is everything all right?
Was it you?
Yes.
How's Christopher?
Why does everybody want to know about him?
Walk out.
Oh, never mind then.
Right.
What do you want me to do, Mary?
Did you sack him?
Mother,
Just wondered.
I was going to sack him, but he beat me to it.
Oh, he sacked you.
He resigned. He's got another job. Now, can we just drop the subject, please?
Certainly.
All right, then. I'll see you soon. I'll come round tomorrow. I don't know, but I'll be there. Okay.
And why are you in a funny mood?
All right, then.
I'm not.
Did she upset you
No.
this morning?
No.
David.
Dave? Oh, your brother-in-law. Thought I recognised the voice. He's from Surrey, isn't he?
Oh, Pam's walked out and dumped the baby on him.
How irresponsible.
Yeah, well, there's two sides, eh? He wants me to look after Sarah.
Poor man, he must be desperate.
You can drop me off at the station on your way back.
What? You want you to move in?
Well, probably. I'll phone on Pam this afternoon to find out what's going on.
Oh, so do you know where she is?
I've got a good idea. You're just going to tell me about Chris?
No, I wasn't.
He's resigned. Got another job.
What doing?
But does it matter?
Oh, you are grumpy. Are you keeping regular?
Mother? If you must know, he's selling cleaning materials.
Not one of those youngsters who goes round door to door. It's hopeless. You can get it all so much cheaper in the shops. Only an idiot would buy from them.
What's all this?
Saying he'd see her in a minute was the last straw. She just handed Sarah to me, said, give him this, and flounced out.
You can imagine. Our Pam does a very good flounce. Hey, he's a busy boy, isn't he? I'll see you in a minute. I'll surprise her, mate.
So Moody Mummy went off and left you, did she? What a woolly-headed mummy she is. What a silly sausage.
What a load of balls.
Brenda, you've made it. Come in.
I'm in.
What? Right, thanks. I don't know what's got into her.
Well, not much. Most of it's on your shirt. Do you know where she is?
No, do you?
Not yet, no.
So you'll have Sarah then?
Well, if I do, you promise you'll come straight back this evening.
Well, that's the problem, you see. I've got a very important
I
meeting.
know. I've seen your diary.
You've got no right to look...
Pardon?
I'll rearrange things.
Right, £10 should cover it.
What?
Taxi fare?
Sales 1892. Oh, hello. No, I'm afraid not. She's round at her sister's in Heswell, looking after the baby. There's been a bit of a domestic. Now, it's not for me to say, but I'm sure she'll be pleased to see you. And of course, you know the house, don't you? That's right. But bye. And good luck with your new enterprise.
Oh, well, of course, Pamela. Some people might say that you and David were a pair of self-centred, spoiled, irresponsible, self-indulgent, loaded yuppies. Not that I'd say that. I mean, some people might say that you don't deserve to have a kid like Sarah when you're just going to use her for scoring points in your pathetic games. Some people might even say that you've got more money than sense and it's about time you grew up. But I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say anything like that because, you see, it's just not in my nature to criticise. Yes, Pam, I know you've told me all that. Why don't you go off and have a think about it? I mean, I wouldn't want to influence you in any way. Oh, I've got to go now. Sarah's just fallen down the stairs again. Bye! Come on. Ready for your kip? You?
Right first time.
What do you want?
Can I come in?
Why?
Show you what I've got?
I know what you've got, a nerve not beating.
Oh, come on, Brenda. I've got some good stuff in here.
All right, 5 minutes.
Sir? Yes, please.
Hey?
I'm sorry, I thought you said have a coffee.
You thought wrong, didn't you?
Oh, fair enough. I'll put the kettle on anyway, in case you change your mind later. I got the idea last time I was round here. Do you remember?
Yeah, well, perhaps it was the wrong idea, eh? Ozone friendly.
Just like me. Careful, you've got to wipe it right away.
What's this like?
It's all right, just keep it off the wood. Hey, go easy, will ya?
Sorry. What's this?
It's shaving foam. Look, do you want anything?
Do you?
Well, it depends on what's on offer. Where is she?
Who?
The lady of the house?
Oh, well, Pam. She's just nipped out, gone to the shops, be back any minute.
Look, I didn't really come round here to sell things.
No?
No. I wondered if you were doing anything on Saturday.
Oh, I am. Oh, look, you've missed a bit.
What are you doing?
What, on Saturday? Going out bird watching with Malcolm.
You've ruined me shirt!
I haven't ruined it. Look, the stain remover here. Here, for tea, coffee and bodily fluids. Well, perhaps not. Here, tar paint and shoe polish.
You're a nutcase, you.
Sorry, it was just a joke. Oh, no, stop. Pamela coming back. Just turn the corner. You better go.
But I'm only demonstrating.
Yes, you won't believe that.
But I'm just trying to get to something.
Oh, listen, look, remember that time outside Malcolm's garage, when she hit you in the side street? It's a shame, I know, but you know. Oh, and the kettle's just boiled. Chris.
What?
Look, I'm sorry about your shirt. It was just a joke, eh?
You're mad.
And the other night, it was great. Maybe we could do it again sometime, eh?
Maybe we could. And more.
Come here. See ya.
Hello, Malcolm. Feeling better?
There's nothing the matter with me.
Of course not. I just made some tea.
Right.
I must say it's a relief.
What is?
Having the house to ourselves again.
She'll be back soon.
If you say so, dear, that's what you want.
As soon as Pam and David are okay again.
This one could go to the bathroom when one wants to.
One doesn't want to.
I meant in the morning.
Look, I've told you, Brenda can stay as long as she chooses. And if you don't like it, that's too bad. Because if she goes, I go.
She's gone.
Will she be back?
We'll see.
I know you don't like her.
I've never said that.
Oh, so you do like her?
Never said that either.
You could at least be polite. I mean, she did buy you those radiator valve covers.
Yeah? I don't think they've got them at Windsor Castle.
What does it matter?
Well, she said they did.
Look, Mother, Brenda and I, Oh, you wouldn't understand anyway.
Oh, I do, Malcolm. I do.
Hello? Oh, hi, Brent. 7, yeah, right. Hello?
Come up on you, has she? Never mind. It'll be better in the morning. It's prunes for dessert.
Hiya.
Hi. How is she?
Who?
Sarah.
Oh, she's asleep. Oh, no, don't go up. She's just gone off.
Yeah, but I need to wash my hands.
Kitchen?
No, but...
Kitchen.
Right. Furniture polish?
Oh, yeah. Did go a bit mad. Even did the breadboard.
What?
And your golf clubs.
You will stay until Pam...
Sees the error of her ways.
Well, you know.
She just doesn't realise she's got it made here.
Oh, I think she does appreciate the better things in life.
The wine's just breathing.
Good heavens. Just a bit. You and me?
Well, I know we haven't always seen eye to eye.
Suppose not. You're showing how it should be done.
Could say that, yeah. It'll be about 20 minutes. Why don't you go through and get yourself sorted?
Thank you.
I know what you like.
What?
Gin and tonic, ice and lemon.
Thank you.
David,
Yes?
take them off.
What?
Shoes, make yourself more comfortable.
Was that Sarah?
No.
No, I heard
No,
something.
I left the radio on upstairs. Look, relax. Take your shoes off. And the other one. Thanks. David,
Yes.
you know how I sometimes call you a pretentious pillock?
Yes. Well, no. Well, you may have.
Well, not without good cause, of course.
I'm sure I heard something.
No, relax. 20 minutes
What?
before the meal.
Have you spoken to Pam?
Yeah, she was at our mum's.
You guessed.
Well, she hasn't got that many options.
Suppose not.
Unlike yourself.
Pardon?
But you get about a bit, don't you? I mean, clubs and all that. Golf, squash, vibratory.
Rotary.
Oh, that's right. And lunch at the Adelphi.
It's business.
Of course.
Right.
And Pam, well, she should be more understanding and do things for you when you come in.
But perhaps I could arrange to have more time here.
It's very comfortable, this city. Intimate, even.
To take her away for a long weekend.
She likes the lakes.
What?
Windermere.
Right. Well, I'll fix something up as soon as she gets back.
If she gets back, don't be long.
Right. Oh, hi, Malcolm. Good to see you. Come in. Thank you. Hi. You ready then?
Yeah.
Ready? And hold on. I thought you were going to stay.
I would love to, but someone else needs me more.
Right. Well, what about Sarah?
Well, if she wakes up, you can look after her. Or the mum can if she's out of the bath. See you, Pam!
Enjoy your dinner. So they landed, are they?
Yeah. Thanks to moi. I've been fixing fellas all day.
Fellas? Oh, you mean me on the landing?
That's right, yeah. Have you forgiven me yet?
No.
I'll make it up to you. I promise.
Now.
I'll think of something. Have I fallen in a spell? Does he drown me in Chanel? Is he vibrant? Is he out? So what do I see in it? Am I dazzled by his style? Has he made my life worthwhile? Does he melt me with his smile? Don't make me laugh.